Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we'll see how to tune the Flysky transmitter and how to set the endpoints and subtrim options. So the endpoints options are in setup function, and these are the endpoints you will see, and these are the subtrims options. So we have to check the data, which data we are transmitting from this transmitter to the receiver, so that receiver can act on the data properly. So for that we'll connect the receiver to the flight controller, and we'll connect flight controller to the Betaflight. So let's connect. Okay, it's connected, and click on connect on Betaflight. Okay, we have connected successfully. So to check the data of transmitter, we'll go into the receiver of Betaflight, and as you can see, so the center point of roll, pitch, and yaw, and throttle, center point of these four channels are not mapped correctly. So to map the channels at the center point, when it is at center, so we'll tune the center points. So for tuning the center points, we'll go into the subtrim, click OK. We have to adjust here. So with the up down button we can adjust. If you see on the Betaflight, okay, here I'm changing the roll. Here I'm changing the roll channel, and it's tuned to 1500. Correct. Now I will go to the next channel. Click OK to save. Okay, now I'll change this second channel data. Now I'll change the second channel center position. Okay, now it's at center position correctly. Same for third channel as well. Okay, so for okay, so I have changed this third channel as well. Now fourth channel. Likewise we can change the center position. Likewise we can tune the center position of our gimbals. So to the save data, we have to hold the cancel key. Okay, we'll check the data again. Okay, data is saved now. Cancel. Now we'll tune the endpoints. Go into the endpoints. Go to the endpoints. Click OK. So all the channels are showing as 100%. If you move this to the lower side, the value should be 1000, but here the value is fluctuating. So so here value is fluctuating, so we are fine with that, and maximum value should be 2000. So here also value is fluctuating. So okay, so here let's see whether we can change the data. Okay, this is the second channel actually. So go to the second channel and we'll change the maximum value little bit. Okay, either we can set it to 2003 or we can set it to 1997 or 8. So we'll keep this as a unchanged. Now we'll go to the next channel. So for third channel we'll check. Okay, we have to check which is third channel. If you are moving this gimbal, then this arrow is moving, and you can confirm that this is the third channel. So so the lowest value is 1000 and highest value is 1967. So I will change that highest value. I will tune that highest value. Okay, so now highest value is 2000 correctly. Okay, I will do the same thing for the fourth channel. So my fourth channel is this one only. So my okay, lowest value is 1025. I will change the value. So hold the gimbal this side, left side, and I will change the data. Okay, okay, this is tuned to 1003 value, and highest value. Okay, I have to tune the highest value as well. Okay, I have tuned the highest value as well for this channel. So only one channel is pending, that is channel 1. So the channel 1 is this one. So highest value is 19. Okay, so all the channels are mapped correctly, all the channels are tuned correctly. So now we can say that our transmitter is sending the correct data to the receiver, so that receiver can act on the data correctly. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe for the channel for more videos.